channel. I hope everybody is doing fine today. So today, as you had seen my last video, in my last video I had shown a makeup palette, an eyeshadow palette, a face palette, and I told you that I will be reviewing that product today. So today is the day I'm going to review the product, and the product what I'm going to review today is this. This is the Seventh Heavens makeup kit for professional makeup artists with 48 color eyeshadow with 2 compact powder and 4 blushes. So I would like to tell you, this is a product when I started using makeup. When I really started getting interest in makeup, I thought why not to take my own palette, and that time I had bought this. It's more than so many years actually. I don't even remember when did I get it. Actually it might be around 2 years, before 2 years only I started using a proper face of makeup. I used to do the makeup and everything and then go out. So I thought why not to get me an affordable blusher and compact and eyeshadow palette. So I was looking out for something. I went to a local store and I got this, the Seventh Heavens one. It's a very sleek and compact thing. You can carry it in your purse and you can use it whenever you wish to. So let's open it and see. Okay, so this is the mirror here. You can see it's a mirror. You get a big mirror over here, and these are all the palette, the eyeshadows, the blushers and the compact. So you see you get a lot of range of colors in this. Day wear, nude, glam, party, whatever look you want you can make with this palette. So this is not the brush. This brush I did not get with this, but I lost the other brush. It had those small spongy kind of brushes you get. It was like that. So I never like using those spongy kind of brushes on my eyes or anything. I don't know why, but I think when you do this for blending, it doesn't get blended only. Everything settles over here only. So that is why I put this one. This is my Naked eyeshadow. I had got a palette of the Naked, Urban Decay Naked. So this is from that palette. It has a shelf life of 3 years. Good for you all who rarely like using makeup. 3 years. I have the shade 02, and this I got it around, you won't believe it, I really got it around 850 or 900 rupees. So you get a proper makeup kit for around under 1000 rupees. I can say under 1000 rupees you're getting it, and it's really nice. I would request you all to please go and try out, especially the beginners, the makeup beginners who are learning makeup or who are trying makeup. So let's swatch the products and show you how it looks. I'll just take my sleeves up. Such long sleeves t-shirt I'm wearing. Ta-da! My hands are all there for you. So see, it has the blushers. It has 4, all the 4 blushers are shimmery. The eyeshadows are shimmery. All party tinchak kind of a thing. I like those kind of eyeshadow and blushes. Good part is the compact what we have, the 2 compacts, in which one is on the shimmer side, so you can use it in a party or something, and the other one what I get is the matte one, so on daily basis you can use it. So let's swatch it. I'll be swatching it with my fingers. This is the first one. I hope you can see it. It's for the fairer skin tone actually, and this is the glittery one. Not that big difference between these two, but it really is nice. I'll be swatching the blushers also. This is on a pinkish purpley kind. I hope you can see it. One is on the maroonish or magenta kind of a thing, I think. I don't know. I'll just swatch it. This is the one. The third blusher that I have is this one. So you see, this one and this one, there's no huge difference between it. This one is on the darker side and this is a bit lighter. but then it's nice. And one what I have is a very light soft baby pink kind. It has a lot pigment, so whenever you are applying it, see, it is very light. So whenever you are applying it, you put a foundation or anything, please keep a tissue with you, or else all that pigment is gonna drop off your eyes or on the, here and there, wherever on your face you are applying it. I'll be swatching quickly around 4 to 5 eyeshadows just for your reference that how it is. This is the black one. See, so pretty grayish blackish color it has. I really love these kind of smoky colors. Then I will be swatching a very nice blue color. I really like this color. All the party colors I'm swatching, as I always love these kind of colors. So you can see how good pigment it has. Then I will be swatching a purplish color, violet. Yeah, violet you can say. It's a violet color. So you can see this is the color. And what do I swatch? Okay, I'll be swatching a pink, dark pinkish kind of a color. So you can see eyeshadows are more pigmented and more nice than the blushers, I would say, but still you can go for these. So this one, this here is the compact, these 4 are the blushers, this last one and all these are the eyeshadows. So here really I have a good huge quantity. I can't swatch everything, but still you can see the shades according to you all. You can see how beautiful the shades are. And this palette is something, it's gonna go on all the dresses, whatever you wear, you can mix and match the colors. So please guys, do buy it. This is all for today, and I hope you like the review of this product and my swatches. You can see, please do give me a big thumbs up and comment me below if you want to see any other videos. The lipstick, if you're liking it, I have put Krylon maroonish color lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. I got it for around 1600 rupees, but it's very good. Seriously very good. So if you like this lip color, you can buy it from the Krylon website. They have very good products. Okay, forget about the lipstick and the Krylon. I wanted to tell you, do buy this product. And if you like my video and the review and the swatches, please do give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.